Many scientists and many psychologists define the law of attraction well. But do you know that it was explained by Lord Gautam Buddha 2,500 years ago? Gautam Buddha said that you become what you think. Let us understand it properly and in detail. If you understand it correctly and use it in your life, then 100% a big change will be seen in your life. We as human beings are like a magnet all the time. Our thoughts, our desires, our feelings, and the imaginations that come into our mind, we send them out as our thought power, and they all attract, no matter whether we do it intentionally or unintentionally. Sometimes we get what we want in our imagination. Today's scientists and researchers tell that before understanding the law of attraction, know about the law of vibration. If you know it, then you will be able to use it easily in your life. The law of attraction doesn't work until you understand the law of vibration. To understand the law of vibration, you must first understand energy. If you watch your body very carefully, you will feel that your body and every cell in your body is in movement, and all that movement is done by energy. And you have to convert the same vibration and the same energy. Apart from Gautam Buddha, Jesus Christ also said a lot about the law of attraction, and he explained that when you imagine the things you want, believe that you already own those things. Your brain affects every single cell of yours, and every cell of yours is in motion, and if you say it's on a vibration. If understood properly, your body and all the cells in the room you are sitting in are in a vibration that you cannot see with your eyes, you can only feel them. Law of attraction doesn't mean that you will get what you think, but you have to connect your feelings with your imagination and think as if they are happening to you right now. If you remain in this vibration, then your thoughts will be tuned with this vibration, and gradually that thing will start attracting towards you. Suppose you want to manifest money, then you have to think in the way that all that money is with you right now. You have to connect such thoughts with your feelings. If you want to do social service, you want to be a great social worker, then you have to be in the same vibration from now on. You have to behave like that, and you have to stay in that thought only. Then you will see that your level of vibration will start coming down to your present level, and the vibrations of the past will become in line with the present vibrations. Gautam Buddha said, leave the past and live only in the present, which means you have to become what you want to manifest. You have to be in that vibration in the present. Most of the people fail because they look at their past results and also think about the future, and that is the biggest mistake, because these negative results create negative impact in their mind. If you think about negative consequences, you will always create negativity in your mind, as your focus and vibrations turn towards negativity. So always find good things in your life, pay attention to them, be grateful for them, and then you will see that you will be able to manifest it gradually. For this, you also have to take actions. When your feelings are good, your thoughts are good, your work is right, and your emotions are attached to it, then the effect on that thing will start showing automatically. You will reach your goal easily and very soon. Lord Buddha has also said about the law of attraction that we create the world with our thoughts. So it is very important to bring positive thoughts at every step of our life. Please tell us about your view on this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.